Hey yo guys, it's your boy King Ginger, Cream de la Cream. We are back at it. This is Home Affairs Mtanami. It's going down, it's going bananas. As you all know, we do what we do best because sifuna ukusiza abantu basizakale. Mawuthi khona umuntu othandana naye and ufila ngathi usufuna ukumlahla, make sure that you write for King Ginger, King Ginger TV, sikwazi ukuthi sikusize, sikuthathe sikubeke la office ukuba khona bafethu. Njengamanje abantu bafuna ukuhlukana, njengamanje abantu bakwatile, asikwate nabo. Asibasize. Abahlukana abantu. It's about that time. King Ginger, Cream de la Cream, Twana se King Indlovu. Awuthi sibone ukuthi kwenzakalani. Mlomo ungathethi imanga. Let me take you through it. But before I do that, do the right thing. Make sure that you subscribe on this #1 channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Ukuthi King Ginger uthi subscribe lapho, like lapho, comment lapho. Ayikhali. Hey yo, boo! It's your boy King Ginger, Cream de la Cream. But some demand to Mabuyu, Bambolunu, Stars. Welcome to Anti Food. On this show is where I give people a platform to break up. No way, breaking up now. Hey! What made you go to Why the food? Why the Guys, we are back at it. Indaba is serious, indaba zasekhaya. This is Home Affairs, but it's indaba zomjolo. Hlukanani. Hayi, mina ngilokhu ngimile nje lapho. Yeka nokungjola nezididi. Hlukanani. Mawuntombi yakhe isididi. Mshiye. Indoda yakho mawuthi isididi sesiduphunga. Sishiye. Sidududu. Sesidododo. Sesindandanda. Nangu my sister na uzolahla isididi sakhe sondela mntama. Kubi kunzima. Kunjani mntama?
Already mavona man. Intelete makata break up. Kushiya munhu wa mina anikahle moya mina uhansi like nashikanda xa mina xa hleya.
Yeah.
I'm very dull. So I'm proud lexi ntate ehendla sweswi but I'm not choice because I'm not tsaka munhu loyi a nga ni tsakisi a ni kumi lexi a ni fanele ku ri ni xi expecta ka yena leswo ku sungula wabo so I just made up my mind now, yeah.
So before we even jump to you making up your mind, can we start from the beginning? How did you meet and what is it that you loved about him before we get to the end?
Okay, let me speak how I'm comfortable now.
Yeah.
Mutu olaki kupanile na ko my and it was late last year.
Oh nice.
So me and the guy, he liked me, I liked the way he vibed, it was nice, fine, we enjoy ourselves in my like after that event in my I even spent it like another day by his place. So about that to confirm good okay our relationship is gonna be fine. After some weeks where I saw good our relationship is only based on terms on going to my during the week when I have to call him, talk to him about whatever as you know couple you know each other what is happening but that person is not available yo go phone either put this or put that uyabona like into ezinjalo so man ngivele ngizibuze nami ukuthi like lo muntu lo like kwenzakalani ngaye like uyangibona like ukuthi mina nginjani like umuntu like I'm universal like I relate with I don't with anyone so like ngifuna umuntu I boyfriend ezoba like I brother boyfriend and a friend you know I don't need another extra person
you
to
don't
be
need a sex partner.
Yeah, a sex partner. No, I want my man to be a package. Yes.
Yeah.
So he's not giving me that package that I need and I can see that even if maybe we stay long he doesn't have pure intentions of something now. Yeah, so
alright.
Ngibone ukuthi hayi semina ngi special se weekend kuphela during the week akekho amafoni noma ukuthi and ngiyazitohozela sometimes uthola ukuthi ngishoda ngemali yokugibela ukuthi ngiye emsebenzini akekho so fanele ngiyothola umunye umuntu ke manje
So take me through le part yokuthi all the time ukufonela magiwa kaMayimayi ushilo nanokuthi ufila ngathi uyakuyuza usekwenze agent yamantombazane because you wrote that I quote ukuthi all the time unokufonela athi ahlangana kaMayimayi but bring girls. Take me through that.
Yeah, now how phonela like utlamfonela maybe Friday around boma 4-5 late are gonna can you please come kikaMayimayi ngizoni requestela iza nabangani bakho abahle bafana nawe and into engibhora ukuthi manje uyazidemandela ukuthi ungazinalabya iza nalabya abasha like ubonisa ngathi mina sengathi ngisupplier manje
yamantombazane
yawabona and mina ngitshela ukuthi ngithola indoda ngizoya eNatali uyabo kanti mina
ubone nelwandle eTepeni
ngiyabona uyabona ngimuhle kanjani hayibona
bikini
elwandleni that life would suit me very well but umuntu nangu yena ufuna ukungenza i-trophy girlfriend ye night club.
Yes, so who dira Mayimayi special. So when sister deep down in your heart ubatla go ring mo go motho wa gago a re mo dulisa mo.
First ne a kenya go mmotsa straight go like ke a motlogela kenya go bona pele gore like yena the intentions sa hae ke kenya go mmusa di question ukuthi my intention wa ke yini ma ukuthi mina u available for mina kuphela maseka funa I company for iMayimayi like during the week yini emiyenza ukuthi anganginaki uyabo ngifuna ukumbuza le question leyo so noma ukuthi whatever explanation azoyikhuluma amadoda once umuntu akubonisa kokuqala ukuthi yena ukubeka kuphi ayikho into ozoyenza ukumshintsha ukuthi akubeke endaweni wena ufuna kuyo so I've already made up my mind I'm gonna leave him but I want to know so that I can have closure even me ukuthi I'm not the one wrong he's the one who's wrong because of I don't want to live with that thing with how why mina kanje or that why men are coming and going. I want to be at peace so that I can love myself and find love again.
Sure. Kunzima ne?
Yeah. It's very hard.
Awusamfuni ne?
I'm sengibhemanintsango nkosi yami
ngoba uyastressa.
I can't focus on things that I'm supposed to focus on yabona ngimusha ngabe ngiyazi akhela impilo right yabona ngikwazi ukusiza abantwana basekhaya my younger siblings are still at school so abazali bami basadinga ukuthi ngibasize so in terms of those kind of things when I have to put my focus on it I don't get it because of I'm distracted ngalo mfana lo
ngathi ngazuyibhemele
nangizibuza ukuthi akanti kwenzakalani even as I say I'm an elder sister like when you have a boyfriend you need to have a boyfriend that is also a brother to your sibling so yena I need that impression that he can play that role yes
angaza shele nezingane
yes uyabona hayibo nkosi yami
sinama options awu2 lesidididi sakho mawusilahle it's either sizonibuyisela ngale bhasi simlande ngayo eKasi or sibuyisela wena wedwa yena simnika i50 uyagibela la uyogibela eBree khona nje yazokakhathaza ukugibela ama taxi singamhambisi ne-street sambise wena wedwa so mawuqeda ukumlahla which option do you choose?
Hayi makahamba yedwa ngifuna ayifile le pain lena mangifilise yona ukuba yiwani unganamuntu ozokusiza so makahamba yiwani.
Welcome awumfilisi pain yokwehliswa ebhasini lami ehle ngabisahlala lapho uzoyimatisi sithi ngoba ugcwele amanzi akaMayimayi kuyafetshwa lapha kaMayimayi shuthi amadoda yakaMayimayi nje sazi ukuthi thina intombi zethu
2x2 angiclaim la 2x2 yazi
alright ama 2x2 ngone uyambele nomuntu wakho
hayi so uyazi ukuthi umuntu nomunye umuntu kungcono kanjani ukuthi umuntu ayenze izinto enkuru emadala side mase uzothola wena uzubhlungu wena ushayiswa ngomuntu kanti awazi ukuthi umuntu hayi akashayiswa njenge awushayiswa ngaye awudelela ngofu hlala
ngapha futhi khamba kanjani indaba phethe yini njengisaba umuntu wakho hlala ngapha nangu umuntu phela okuyena bafo njengoba wazi nifikile no my sister no2 my sister ezela kwi-interview nathi sithe nje sicele nawe ngoba uyasichazela the way akuthanda ngakhona another way omphethe kahle ngakhona wena ungathi yini oyithandayo ngayo
hayi kuningi nokukhuleka kwakhe ngimthanda umoya wakhe ukukhuleka kwakhe kuningi ngokuthandwa ngayo kuningi
ubhuti wanje ubani igama Engezwe. Okay mfowethu, my sister kunombuzo afisa ukukubuza yona and then because uyafisa ukwazi ukuthi wena uyifiseleni ngaye. So umbuzo wokuqala bengitshele wona, nimi kuphi ngalolu uthando leni and niyibone niya kuphi?
Hayi ngibona si right mina ubona wami ngoba siyabonana ngoma weekend zonke ikazi ngifuna ukuthi ngibone ama weekend ubona si right sure angazi futhi ukuthi inkinga
and uyayibona ayikho ne future
angingasho impela kanjalo ngiyibona inkinga ngoba manje
ngibona ni right njalo manibonana nje ngama weekends isuka into ini right.
Hayi impela ngabe ngibulo umuntu obusy
khona mina ufuna ukubuza.
Hayi mina nginelanga ke baba.
Konke afuna ukukutshela yona. Akasakubuzi kuyakutshela manje.
Ukuthi
indawo ungangitshela ngendlela ngizokungitshela la.
Cha ufuna ukukutshela la.
Yini ke?
Ngikhona nami. Inkinga yami yide ungakhona. Mase ngaphakathi masithi kuphela una ukulokuya okungicindezela ngoba uyayazi ukuthi ngihlala ngizithobile kakhulu ngibonisa inhlonipho isikhathi nekhathi. So mase kukhuluma indaba ezingaka serious kunaloku dewe ukwazi ukukhuluma nami vele ngigcine sengasafuna ukuthathela phambili nami ngakwazi loku express ukuthi ngizizwa kanjani vele ungivale kanjalo. So ngibone ukuthi kungcono angeke uwasebenzisa amandla wakho wasebenzisa
kimi.
So ngilana manje ukuzokutshela ukuthi mina anginelanga ngoba lokho bongilindele
kuwo ungangitshela endlini hayi
lalela akaqedi
Kya ngifuna into enza la ngesikwazi ukukhulumela endlini kukhona indlu
angithi uzomgoqa uzomcindezela mtshele sister mtshele kumnyama kunje
anginelanga mina
yini engakunelisi
awutholakali mase inkinga zefikile zasekhaya ngikudinga umuntu ozongiseka ezwendoda ongithandayo angikutholi inkinga yami leyo mase sifikile uyazi ukuthi ngisisomdala ekhaya ngisisomdala ekhaya kuyadingeka ukuthi umuntu ongiphilisana naye angiqabangele ukuthi ngiyadinga usizo
awasendlini yami mina
cha mfethu udinga uthema ufika la washo wathi wena izinto zenu zi right njalo manibonana ngama weekends so we weekend special my sister.
Hayi lutho.
Pho indaba wena ngathi sonke isikhathi mawufuna ukubona my sister mele kuba ama weekend and nalawo ma weekend akuwona wanoma ikuphi awakuphi
wase my
hayi ngiyasiqhelena kakhulu bhuti wami
igcine bese igcinile hosteleni yakho la uhlala khona
mina ngihlala leso wethe ngihlala eAlex angithi siqhelelene kakhulu ngithi ngahle sibonana njalo
so ubona ukuthi nibonane ngemigqibelo kwaMayi kuphela
angibona kungcono phela mina lokho phela sihlala kude kahle
so
mhlawumbe ayisho ngangcono mathiwa sihlala sonke mina
okay manje mawufuna ukumbona ke ngalawo ma weekends usuke ufuna ukumbona nobani khuluma sister into ezicikayo
wase ungibona ungicela kahle ukuthi ngize nabangani bami and into futhi engiqasulayo kakhulu ukuthi seyoqala ukuzikhethela ukuthi ngingasaphindi le group le ngize nayo le sikhathi lesiya ngize nenye group abobhuti bakho abajabulanga semanje ungenza ngathi sengidayisa abangani bami out abantu semanje estradeni abazali sebangibheka kabi abantwana babo
umuntu ohlala nebandla kahle nje sihlala sonke manje melikhuluma lithi funa izinto manje ngithini
so wena sekumele ukuthi uhluphe umuntu othandana naye noma
ngamhluphi
ukwenzani
ngamhluphi so ngifuna ukumbona phela vele
mase kumele
nabangani ukuthi ngihamba nebandla
so wena mfethu wena into ebalekile ibandla ukudlula umuntu othandana naye
uyazi na uthanda
inkinga ibandla lakho aliziphathi ngalendlela wena usiphatha ngayo kimi ebanganini bami liziphatha ngendlela enye bona mabafika le emakhaya wabo bakhuluma enye indaba bakhuluma enye indaba semanje kubukeka ngathi mina ngidayisa ingane zabantu
so ngalokho mtshela ukuthi
ngalokho kodwa ngithi ekhaya lakithi ababona nesithunzi esihle for mina and nami ngiyabona injabulo
ayikho so futhi wena ahlahlulela abantu
cha isithunzi sakhe sibhedayo isithunzi sibhedayo yabheka
ngimdala kithi fanele ngenza into abakithi abantwana bakithi bazohamba inyathelo
zabo ubhekisa nengane
mana uthi alwenisulela abantu manje kahle
angilalele abantu ngicabangela mina ukusasa kwami nezingane zakithi ezemva kwami
uyabazi labantu balelayo
bapha abantu
ngikhuluma ngabo
hayi mina ngene ndawo mina ungangifaki
laba bangikhaphile nje bangene
ngene mfethu mina uma isister ungicelela ukuthi ngibe la akutshele lento akutshelayo angihlangani mina wena into oyenzayo wena
ngizwathi ngasiplaniwe phela lento asiplaniwe
ngani into ozenzayo mfethu wena kanti awuhlala ufuna amantombazane kuyena mezokubona ukuthi aphatha abangani bakhe Usukwenza kwa amahlandla amangaki lokho?
Hayi phela njalo kodwa nawe uyazi. Ngiyakwenza lokho kodwa hayi njalo.
Nake nayikhipha nobabili.
Asukudala nyanga.
Ngaphandle kwakaMayimayi ungangitsheli ngoMayimayi mina bhuti. Nake nayikhipha nje nancebeleka na right ingane yajabula. Noma nje wena ubona ukuthi uyichamela lapha kaMayimayi kulola gqoko.
Awukazi.
Umchama ngale nyama ka120.
Uthembele kuba bhuti bakhe kahle ibo bafika lapha abathenge bagqwalise lapha abaphuza yena maybe akakhuluma iqiniso ukuthi lifestyle yasingikhonayo babe ungaphila amanga mawuhlangana nomuntu okuthandayo phila wena ukuthi uzokwazi ukuthola umuntu okuthandayo ngempela ungaphila amanga impilo abanye abantu bayiphilayo
Mchama ngeyithebe lapha biza izithebe ezu4 ayisakufuni ngane mtshele sister ngicela ukhiphe lamagama ngqo njengoba ungitshele cha ushilo njengoba usho njalo ukuthi uselo awusamfuni lo
ungabazi
kuphelile phakathi kwami nawe
zwile ke
ngiyaxolisa kuphelile nasengqondweni ngathi ngifuna ngoba kuningi
ingane sizidla insambo manje ngenxa yakho
ngezilungiseke lonto leyo
ngeke kwazi ukulungiseka bese sengenza into ebhedayo angiboni ukuthi into eright ukuthi ngazama
ingane igena newela kuyonqindezela ngenyama lapha kaMayimayi amanoni iyo yonke le sister so right angithi ngiyama shisa
ngi-right but
sefuna umfutho
ngi-right but
phela wena nenyama eshisiwe niyamsana futhi ngoba uthola lapha kaMayimayi la kosiwa khona vele hayi vele mfethu vele uyena ositshele konke uthi angasakufuni futhi wena ngitshele sister ingabe ngathi kusho mina
angisakufuni hayibo ithi ngizikhulumele manje ngoba mina sengoba vele ngiyakubeka final ukuthi ubuthoba bami sengibekele esayidini mina nawe lokho kwakuhlanganisa akusekho kuphelile ngiqela wamkele yekele ukuthi angijweli naye ngimtshela naye hayibo
kanti yabo
yinto le singakwazi ukukhuluma endlini every time angithi ukubonisa something uzongitshela kanje nakanje
indaba unqaphe
mfethu
ukhuluma igama lami
usola nala noma kholani wakho naye ucanga ukuthi ujwela nami nokube yena ongibonisa indawo lapha ngoba yazi angiyazi indawo mase ukuthi sifikile after Mayimayi ungidrop endlini niyocedelela intshwala sami nabo bhuti bakho uzobuye ngenkathi zakho ngoba mina ngilele umuntu mangivuke ngithi ngifuna something kufanele ngikokode next door so naye ngoba uyangisiza uqanga ukuthi ngilala naye and ukuthi ngabe ukhona bengeke ngikokode next door
so sekokote kaningi ebusuku ngo12 next door ungekho efuna amanzi bakuphuzisa ngithi kamakhelwane amanzi
banginceda
lo bhuti wamakhelwane uyena right
now right
mfethu angihlali kamakhelwane wakhe and awuthami ngitshela ukugcina sister ahambe futhi lo and awuthami usabuyele ngaleli bus sikufikise ngalo uwelcome uzokunika i20 welcome awukhip lo 50 ungayimosheli isikhathi khona imali ekhona la lo yadelela mnikele
Kuvele yela Mayimayi akufuna lo 10 rand
awufuni uzofika ngani kaMayimayi uzowoka
uzowoka
sikude kanje
hayi
elokushini esowethu uzofika ngani uzowoka nakhona
thatheni lo so wena
ya somambise Alex njayami Gomora yalo uyambona ukuthi usaba obhuti bakhe ngempela nawe nje wacishwa pheshwa obhuti bakhe ngoba lo bezovela ku sacrifice ko
beyonginika obhuti bakhe vele
bezonikela ngawe akubekho phela umuntu odlula obhuti kuyo uyambona wena sister iqhubeka uyele kamakhelwane usizakale khona because umakhelwane uyena umuntu phela mfethu okhona for wena okwazi ukuthi mawukhala kube i-shoulder to cry on yeah asikisi ne
hayi but Southern
uzizwe njani njengoba usubhodlile ukuthi usamfundo
la umoya wami so right sengitholile ukuthula nento bengifuna ukuyikhuluma naye ngikhulumile nje naye ngeke ngisayenza izinto ngifihla mina nomakhelwane soziphilela kahle kamnandi akwazi ukungisiza la ngisiza khona ngendlela e-right ngoba ngokukhululeka
belokhu nibambekile yenza lento niyajona
wena umakhelwane uyazi into azenza ubhadele umntwana akithi i-crash bekwi-birthday yomntwana Monday uyenze yonke into yazi like uyabo engingamtshela nokumtshela umuntu shem
unamandla makhelwane
umuntu shem yazi indoda emadodeni
ya makhelwane indoda umuphi ihaki namhlanje please
ngizomhaka ngizomnika ihaki
welcome ngizocela ukuthi uthathe ulokhuzana umamazi umlokhuzana umfake ebhasini khona sizokwazi ukuthi mfethu simambise Alex mfethu kuzo driver mina kulokho kumele singene Alex ngesitayela umhlalise phambili uzohlala phambili lezo ngifuna bakubone Alex nobhuti wamakhelwane nazo ukuthi ulethwe yithi safe showcase mntakama yazi.
Thanks, but
Sharp sharp. Hawu umakhelwane uyaqoqoda. Nangu umuntu ebekufanele alahle lo emlahlela ukuthi ubondwa umakhelwane, kodwa lo wahlakanipha ngoba uyayi-enjoya lento kamakhelwane, walahla lo fast emlahlela ukuthi abangani bakhe bathe mebebuya kaMayimayi bangajabula ngalezi ngqwele bezikhona, kodwa lo usekitazwa kamakhelwane. But ngoba lo uyena obhalile ukuthi akasafuni lo, ayikho into engizoyenza. Njengamanje sothatha lo simdelive kumakhelwane, umakhelwane amenze njalo. Take me to Alex. Hey yo, it's your boy King Ginger, Cream de la Cream. But some demand to Mabuyu, Bampolunyu, Stars. Welcome to Anti-Safu. On this show is whereby I give people a platform to break up. No way, break it up now.
hey, isishintshile like towards you.
What made you go to Why the food? Why the Inking usekhathele isenge.